Analysts expect Dawson Geophysical Co, NASDAQ DWSN, to report minus 34 cents EPS on November 2. They anticipate 23 cents EPS change, or 40.35% from last quarter's minus 57 cents EPS. After having minus 68 cents EPS previously, Dawson Geophysical Co's analysts see minus 50.00% EPS growth. The stock decreased 5.04%, or 23 cents on October 20, reaching $4.33. About 59,359 shares traded, or 46.56% up from the average. Dawson Geophysical Co, NASDAQ DWSN, has declined 32.08% since October 22, 2016 and is downtrending. It is underperformed by 48.78% the S&P 500. Vail Resorts Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange MTN, had an increase of 10.39% in short interest. MTN's SI was 960,300 shares in October as released by FINRA. It's up 10.39% from 869,900 shares previously. With 244,600 average volume, 4 days are for Vail Resorts Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange MTN, as short sellers to cover MTN's short positions. The SI to Vail Resorts Incorporated's float is 2.42%. The stock increased 2.72%, or $6.06 on October 20, reaching $228.51. About 532,801 shares traded, or 61.34% up from the average. Vail Resorts Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange MTN, has risen 61.08% since October 22, 2016 and is uptrending. It is outperformed by 44.38% the S&P 500. Vail Resorts Incorporated is a holding company. The company has market cap of $9.14 billion. The firm operates through 3 divisions: mountain, lodging and real estate. It has a 46.61 PE ratio. The company's mountain segment operates over 10 mountain resort properties and approximately 3 urban ski areas, as well as ancillary services, primarily including ski school, dining, and retail rental operations. Among 14 analysts covering Vail Resorts Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange MTN, 12 have buy rating, 0 sell and 2 hold. Therefore 86% are positive. Vail Resorts Incorporated had 32 analyst reports since July 27, 2015 according to Stratton Xintel. AM Partners maintained the stock with buy rating in Friday, June 10 report. The firm has buy rating given on Thursday, April 7 by Stern AG CRT. The stock has buy rating by Bank of America on Tuesday, December 8. Stephens maintained Vail Resorts Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange MTN, on Thursday, March 17 with overweight rating. The company was maintained on Wednesday, October 18 by KeyBank Capital Markets. The firm earned buy rating on Friday, June 9 by Stifel Nicolaus. The firm has neutral rating given on Friday, September 25 by AM Partners. The firm has hold rating given on Wednesday, September 6 by Stifel Nicolaus. As per Friday, March 11, the company rating was maintained by Barclays Capital. The rating was maintained by Credit Suisse with outperform on Tuesday, March 8. Investors' sentiment increased to 1.01 in 2017 Q2. It's up 0.13 from 0.88 in 2017 Q1. It increased as 46 investors sold Vail Resorts Incorporated shares, while 108 reduced holdings. 67 funds opened positions, while 88 raised stakes. 35.93 million shares, or 2.01% less from 36.67 million shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. Kramer Rosenthal McGlynn Limited Liability Corporation owns 237,671 shares, or 0.74% of their U.S. portfolio. Glenmead Trust now accumulated 1,384 shares. Vail LP accumulated 275,242 shares. Ameriprise has invested 0.02% in Vail Resorts Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange MTN. Tiger Eye Cap Limited Liability owns 116,702 shares, or 4% of their U.S. portfolio. BlackRock has invested 0.02% in Vail Resorts Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange MTN. Nationwide Fund Advisors accumulated 83,000 shares. Parallax Volatility Advisors LP owns 36 shares for 0% of their portfolio. Gratrian Limited Liability Corporation reported 3,000 shares. Prudential Incorporated stated it has 0% in Vail Resorts Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange MTN. Interest Savings Bank NA holds 1,466 shares. PeerCap Limited Liability Company stated it has 3,266 shares, or 0.11% of all its holdings. Caprock accumulated 1,966 shares, or 0.09% of the stock. Nicholas Investment PRTNRS LP holds 0.54% of its portfolio in Vail Resorts Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange MTN, for 37,510 shares. 1,088 are owned by Raymond James Trust NA. Dawson Geophysical Co., formerly TGC Industries Incorporated, is a well-known provider of onshore seismic data acquisition and processing services with activities throughout the United States and Canada. The company has market cap of $93.97 million. The firm acquires and processes two-dimensional, three-dimensional, 3D, and multi-component seismic data for its clients, ranging from gas and oil companies to independent gas and oil operators, as well as providers of multi-client data libraries. It currently has negative earnings. It operates through contract seismic data acquisition and processing services segment. Among two analysts covering Dawson Geophysical Co., NASDAQ DWSN, 1 have buy rating, 0 sell and 1 hold. Therefore 50% are positive. Dawson Geophysical Co. had 4 analyst reports since August 12, 2015 according to Stratton Sintel. The stock of Dawson Geophysical Co., NASDAQ DWSN, earned outperform rating by Raymond James on Monday, August 24. The firm has hold rating given on Monday, September 7 by Zacks. The firm earned strong buy rating on Wednesday, May 11 by Raymond James. On Wednesday, August 12, the stock rating was downgraded by Zacks to hold. Receive news and ratings via email. Enter your email address below to receive a concise daily summary of the latest news and analysts' ratings with our free daily email newsletter.